Landon, you say hello? Okay, Landon and Daddy are going on a trail adventure. You made it!
Look, Landon. See, we're at the big creek. See, we're at the big creek.
You pointing? What you pointing at?
You see the tree? Look at the cool tree. You see it? Check it. Look. The cool tree. A big tree.
You waving at the camera?
See the camera?
Say hello, camera. Hello. Hi. Landon? Landon, you want to say hello? Say hello.
See the garden? We're gonna go over the bridge. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Say hey to the camera, Mama. Are you having fun, buddy?
It looks like it. Does it feel good out here? Nice day. Turn around and say hi. Hello.
Say hello.
Woohoo!
Hey, look at Mommy.
Yeah, it's so cute. You make it over the bridge? Where are you going? They got all kinds of animals. Mostly amphibian like things, but they have